I'm going to explain you briefly a very best intraday trading technique what you can use to make profit. It can be also used in swing trading as well. So in this I'll be explaining you as an intraday technique for example. And also this is a very easy and simple trick and there is no indicators required to follow this trick. And also this is a very simple method, and also I'll be telling you a very simple method to select stock also to trade on this methodology. Okay, so this method is called as catching the bottom and tops only. Okay, so now what you have to do is whatever time you're trading in, you just have to see the Nifty 50 chart. Okay, so Nifty future chart, you just open it and then see how the market is performing. So here for example, the Nifty came down and took a support and it started going up from here. So now what you have to do is you just have to see from the Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, so just see the stock which is behaving in the same kind of patterns. Okay, so there will be a lot of stocks which are behaving in the same kind of patterns as how the Nifty follows. Okay, so the best technique to find is just see the beta value of the stock which is near to 0.1 or above 0.1. It will follow the Nifty trend. So select the stock which is matching this condition, and now what you have to do is if you just see those chart, it will give you the same kind of movement. So for example, here you can see the Nifty has come down. Even this is a HCL Tech chart, and even the HCL Tech has come down and it has took a support. Okay, even the stock has took a support here and it has gone up. Okay, the same as the market went up, and it has took a resistance where the market took a resistance. Even the stock took a resistance there and it has come down. Okay, so this is a very simple kind of formation. You just have to see the Nifty future chart only. Okay, so just see the Nifty future chart and decide on selecting the stock which is following the Nifty trend. Okay, so now if you ask me how to identify this kind of support and resistance level, what you have to do is if you are good at observing the chart, you can easily identify by observing the chart in a different kind of time frames, or you can simply use pivot points indicator that will just put a lines on your chart depending on where the support and resistance level is, and that will indicate you where the support and resistance level is. Okay, so this is a simple technique which I said you in brief. Okay, so you can just click on my channel logo and go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trading videos. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading and want to get guidance from me even in live market guidance personally, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can be a consistent profitable trader from today.